Are you learning English but feel stuck? You're not a beginner, but your fluency isn't improving. Today, I'll show you 10 common mistakes advanced learners make and how you can fix them. Let's get started. 1. Learning words alone, not phrases. Fluent speakers don't use single words, they use phrases. For example, don't just learn decision, learn make a decision. Reach a decision, tough decision. Tip: keep a notebook of phrases. Use them in your own sentences. I made a tough decision yesterday. To reading notes, but not testing yourself. Reading feels good, but it doesn't help you remember. You need to practice from memory. Tip: close your book. Say everything you remember about a lesson for 1 minute. Then check what you missed. Repeat after 2 days, 7 days, and 30 days. 3. Only input, no output. Many learners watch videos for hours, but never speak or write. That's why fluency doesn't grow. Tip: for every 20 minutes of watching, do 5 minutes of speaking. Record your voice, summarize the video, or write a few sentences using new words. For memorizing rules, not patterns. Instead of long grammar rules, focus on useful patterns. Examples: requests, would you mind helping me? Opinions, from my point of view. Hypotheticals, if I were you, I'd. Tip: practice these patterns with your own life examples. 5. Using correct grammar, but wrong style. Sometimes your sentence is correct, but sounds too direct or too formal. Example: send me the file. Too direct gives, could you send me the file when you have time? Example: kindly apprise me. Too formal gives, please let me know. Tip: match your English to the situation, casual, formal, or professional. 6. Sticking to general English only. Basic English is not enough for work or study. You need special words for your field. Example: office English. Let's follow up on this. What's the deadline? Here's my takeaway. Tip: every month, learn 50 new phrases from your subject or job. 7. Translating everything. If you always think in your first language, your English will be slow. Tip: prepare small, ready-made speeches. We call them language islands. Your self-introduction, your job, your daily routine. Practice them until you don't need to translate. 8. Ignoring your mistakes. If you don't track your errors, you'll repeat them forever. Tip: keep an error diary. Write your mistake, the correction, and one example sentence. Review weekly. Speak the correct version 5 times fast. 9. Focusing too much on the accent. Accent is not important. What matters is clear stress and rhythm. Example: say, I did email you yesterday. Stress on did. Tip: listen to native speakers. Mark which words are stressed and copy their rhythm. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and making notes. So, let's see our last mistake and how we tackle this. 10. No study plan. Motivation comes and goes. A system keeps you moving. Example: plan. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, watch plus test yourself. Tuesday, Thursday, speak or write. Saturday, learn job-related English. Sunday, review your mistakes. Tip: measure progress with simple goals. I can explain a 3-minute video clearly. So, fixing even one of these mistakes will make your English stronger. Which mistake do you make most often? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more smart learning tips from Peace Fluent English.